Hey y'all, I've noticed one of the most common questions after seasoning is cleaning the griddle. Just cooked some pork chops and some peaches, and as soon as I was done, I hit it with a splash of water and did this. You see, you can't really see, but the water just lifts up, if the griddle's still warm, lifts up the nasty stuff. In fact, I've found when it bubbles, that's where it needs scraped a little extra. And then, let's turn it on. You can use towels, paper towels, blue shop towels, your husband's t-shirts, your wife's t-shirts, your uncle's t-shirts, your wife's uncle's neighbor's t-shirts, whatever you want to use. And you want to get all the water off because you don't want it to rust. And it's mostly brown instead of black. If it was black, I'd probably wipe it down again. Right, Baja? And as soon as I figure out where I left my oil, we'll finish this up. And welcome back. I'd like to thank today's sponsors, vegetable oil, and the letter Z. This is just plain old vegetable oil. You can use motor oil. No, don't use motor oil. You can use flaxseed oil, cottonseed oil, avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil. Just make sure it's plant-based. And see, it's not black, it's just brown. You want just a light coat. And I especially like to get down in this corner right here because that's where the water runs to when I hit it with a squirt of water. So there you go. It's not thick, it's just a light coat just to protect it. And there you go. We've got a cleaned griddle. That's all there is to it. Nothing too advanced, or it's not rocket science, it's griddle science. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.